In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase workflow automation using Shopify Flow. This walkthrough will guide you step by step through the process of enhancing automation in your Shopify store, which will help streamline your tasks and improve overall efficiency. Let's begin our journey by navigating to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, head over to the main dashboard. It's essentially your storefront's command center where you can manage all the aspects of your business. From here, look towards the top right of the screen for a button labeled Add and give it a click. This button is your gateway to a multitude of apps available in Shopify that can help optimize your store. Clicking on Add will lead you into the Shopify App Store, a treasure trove of tools designed to augment the functionality of your store. Here's where you have the opportunity to explore countless apps, each tailored to solve unique business challenges. But today, we're focusing specifically on enhancing workflows through automation. In the search bar at the top of the Shopify App Store, type the word workflow. This will help narrow down the options to apps specifically designed to automate and refine your store's operations. After the results populate, look for an option labeled Workflow and click on it to learn more about what it can offer your business. Next, we'll focus on finding Shopify Flow. On the Workflow page, look for the section listing specific apps designed for your needs. You should see Shopify Flow prominently displayed there. Select it. This app is tailored specifically to help you automate numerous tasks based on set conditions and triggers, making operations smoother and freeing up valuable time for you and your team. Once you've landed on the Shopify Flow page, familiarize yourself with its capabilities and the features it provides. From automating order management tasks to triggering emails for specific customer actions. Shopify Flow is a dynamic tool. Once you've reviewed the features, hit the Install button. This will integrate Shopify Flow into your store, setting the stage for a more streamlined and efficient operation. Shopify Flow is now successfully added to your toolkit. You can begin creating workflows that will automatically perform tasks you previously had to do manually, such as sending notifications for low stock or tagging high-value customers. The possibilities for customizing workflows to match your business's specific needs are virtually endless. By following these steps, you are on your way to a more efficient, automated business process, and that's how you can increase your workflow automation with Shopify Flow. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your Shopify experience. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!